how to downgrade a Google One storage subscription. So if you want to downgrade a Google One storage subscription, so if you go to Google One, then you don't have an option of downgrading, but you will have an option of upgrading, right? So in order to get the option of downgrading, what you need to do is just go for the search. Under search, you need to search for one.google.com/settings. So once you search for one.google.com/settings, you will be taken to this kind of page, right? So once you're here on this page, you just need to simply go for the last option, which is cancel membership or cancel membership plan or change membership plan. You will have that option, right? So if you have the upgraded version, then you will have that option, but in some countries it might not be available. So you will have that option on the last. So once you click on the last option, you will get the upgrading options, right? So what you need to do is simply scroll down and you will have see more plans option. You just need to simply click on see more plans. Once you click on it, then you will have an option of degrade or downgrade. And that's how you can downgrade a Google One storage subscription. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.